Hi everyone, here is me. I am in Godauri, Georgia. I'm having a vacation and I'm just making a short video for you because I've got some lipsticks from NYX and I want to test the colors and show you how it looks. And here I'm going to start with very light makeup, and foundation I'm using is from Makeup Forever Stick. And yeah, I'm just going go over my face and spread it with my fingers. I'm taking Natasha Denona palette Biba, and I'm taking this gray eyeshadows and applying it with a big blending brush at the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm taking brown pencil, also from Makeup Forever, and just applying at the lash line and blending the edges with a small blending brush. And now I'm taking a contour palette from Urban Decay. I'm just using this for traveling because it has all the shades. It's contour, blush, even though I'm taking another blush as well. Contour, blush, and highlight. So I'm just applying some contour on my face. Now I'm taking eyebrow pencil in auburn shade, and you see my mom at the background. We're just getting ready to go on the slope, having full makeup on. Now I'm taking silver glitter and applying it in the inner corner. It's a Christmas and New Year's holidays, so just want to shine. Okay, now it's time for the lipsticks, and here they are. NYX lipsticks. I'm gonna try out one by one, and this one is turn on color. I'm going to start from the lightest one. This is the lightest. It looks lightest, but it actually changes the color. It looks nude, but at the end it turns out it's a little bit brownish, so you have to be really careful. It does really change the color. And I'm gonna show you the color on the sun and in the shadow so you can see the difference. You see, it looks a little peachy, but honestly when it's dry it's different. I'll show you some pictures on the slope. It's completely brown. Here, you see, it's brown. Anyway, now I'm taking another color, which is Warm Up from NYX. I'm going to try it out. does look a little dark. It is darker than the previous shade for sure. It's maybe has some red undertone, and but it's not red. Those lipsticks are new to NYX. That's why I just wanted to try them all, and they're really pigmented. That's what I like. So you just apply one layer and it stays for all day. Another shade is Pushed Up. This is more pink undertone. It doesn't look like the packaging color though. It's more pink than that, but easy to apply, and it's very soft. You don't really feel it on your lips. This is how I do it. I just apply it at the bottom of my lip and then paste it to the top one, and then creating a shape that I want. It's a beautiful color, pinky. You see how bright it is? It's beautiful. Trust me, it's not easy to remove it with a tissue. You need to use a makeup remover. It's just so fresh that I can remove it easily. The next color is Strip and Tease. This color I think is the darkest of them all. It looks more brown undertone. The darkest. You see it looks a little patchy, but yeah, you can definitely build over the color. But it's really for our confident people to wear it. It's a beautiful shade. This is how it looks on the sun. Now it's definitely time for makeup remover. I'm just removing all the pigments and applying a little bit of foundation before applying the next color, which is XXTENDED. You see it's beautiful shade. I mean, even the packaging shows the color. This purple, dark purple shade is one of my favorite shades. I'm buying it in different brands. I would love you to share your opinion. What shade was your favorite? This is how it looks in the shadow and on the sun. You see it's purple, dark purple color. Of course it does go a little darker, just slightly darker when it's dry, but I think it looks gorgeous. This is my my tissue with all the colors, all the shades that I have, and I'm removing the extended color. This color is Busted XXL 14. It looks darker than the previous shade. Darker in a way, it's more brownish, purplish, and also pinky undertone. Looks beautiful on the sun. Of course it goes darker a little bit. And I'm removing it and applying the last shade, which is Stamina XXL 21. It's more raspberry red, I would say. I love the shade. I was wearing it for the New Year's. It's beautiful. It stays for a long time. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like it, comment and share, and please do let me know which one was your favorite. Thank you for watching.